Rohl 39.5 by 18.5 by 10 deep Shaw's Rutherford plain apron front Fireclay kitchen sink. Another divided sink by Rohl. This Fireclay 39.5 sink screams high end. If you're creating the kitchen of your dreams and the budget to match, this is your best bet. The front of the sink is classic white porcelain enamel, but the interior of the sink is the more important part. The Shaw's original badges, 3.5-inch drains, and tiered basins make this a beautiful sink. Both sides of this sink are 10 inches deep. You will definitely need a plumber to install this sink, however. It's best to make sure the job is done right. The sink weighs about 183 pounds, but is easy to handle because of the rectangular shape. This is an outstanding apron front and the best high-end Fireclay kitchen sink on the market.